you happy Friday. I wanted to hop on here and chat with you about cleaning. So I don't know about you, but whenever I'm super busy, it's hard to manage everything. And cleaning is one of those things that I know my husband loves a clean home, and it just I feel better whenever my environment is a little decluttered and has care of and up. It's mental for your physical, as you well know, if you've cleaned or vacuumed or whatever, realize that it's a very physical activity. So it's great for your physical health, but also it's good for your environmental health just because it keeps things clean, cuts down on dust, cuts down on potential mold or other environmental concerns. But it's really, really hard to get done with everything else. A couple of resources that have really helped me. There are different things you can learn from social media and from various websites, but one that really comes to mind is Clean Mama. It's over on Instagram, Clean Mama. She's really great about breaking down different things that you can do on different days, and it kind of serves as a little reminder if you haven't done maybe that week to be like, oh, I could tackle this one thing. And how she breaks things down is very manageable. She gives you, if you love her stuff. Another one that I love is Environmental Nerd. She talks a lot about what we can substitute, what we can tackle, the things that we can control in our environment. These resources really, really help me, and I hope that they will help you as well. Now, that I use, I don't stress out over what is not done. It pressure me and make me feel almost guilty. I know that he doesn't do it on purpose, but sometimes, our husbands are like, oh, why isn't this done? I'm like, why don't you do it? Or something like that. And I end up just snapping back. But I kind of have to take a back seat and just take a step back and realize that, I'm trying to manage multiple different roles and different things, and I will get to what I can get to and try not to stress out over it. I try to break up different tasks throughout the week so that it's not just all falling on one day. So sometimes, usually Sundays, every other week or so, are my meal prep days. And so I do a little bit of dishes and stuff like that same day. Saturday is the prep day, so I'll go and do some grocery shopping, maybe do some more cleaning in the kitchen. Friday, so tonight, I'm actually going to be finishing up some laundry that needs to be done. And then usually sprinkled in that throughout the week, I'm able to tackle things like the kitchen, dining room table, or the bathroom, or something of that nature. So I like to spread things out, that way I don't get overwhelmed. Now, that being said, sometimes things don't go according to plan, so I get to adapt and react. And so maybe I spend a Sunday that I'm not meal prepping, just doing various cleaning duties like vacuuming or sweeping, something of that nature. So I try to spread out what I'm doing, that way I don't get overwhelmed. I want to hear from you. What are some cleaning or environmental health tasks that you have sprinkled in throughout your week that are helping you manage that dirty word of cleaning? All right, you guys, have a wonderful Friday, and we'll